How to change and reset your password on paypal.com. There are two tutorials in this video. First is to reset your password if you are forgetting your email and your password, obviously. The second tutorial will start from the dashboard. If you have access to your current PayPal account and you are able to log in on your dashboard, please stay tuned. That tutorial will be in the middle of this video. First off, if you forgot your password PayPal or you forgot your email and password on PayPal, all you need to do first is go to paypal.com, obviously. And before I start the tutorial for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel with that subscribe button. And here we go. So from your paypal.com homepage, click on login. And if you forgot your password, just click forgot password here. If you just forgot your password, then PayPal will email a verification link to your current email. If you also forgot your email, then just click forgot your email. PayPal will present you with three fields, are just the alternative emails that you have, email accounts that you have, whichever provider that you have that you are currently using. Maybe you forgot to link it to PayPal, accidents happen, so you can enter three valid emails here. And if one of those emails is associated with a PayPal account, send verification for you. Or if you change your mind and you actually remembered your email address, click I've remembered my email address from here. And then from there, you can just click next. PayPal will send a verification email to your email. Before that, you need to complete the security challenge. And once you complete that, PayPal will send the verification email. Okay? That's pretty much how you reset your password if you forgot your password or you forgot your email. Next tutorial that I have concerns people that can access their PayPal dashboard. They still wanted to change their password, for example, because their current password is breached or anything. To do that, just go to your PayPal dashboard, just log into your PayPal account, and from the dashboard, just click the gear icon next to the logout. Okay. From there, just go to the security tab, and from there, just click password. Basically, PayPal will provide you with the three fields. This is your current password. The second and the third field is just the new password that you wanted, and also the confirmation. So basically, new password entered twice. Regarding password policy, PayPal will only allow a very limited set symbol and also 8 to 15 characters of alphanumeric types. Needs to contain lowercase letters and also uppercase letters, as long as it is just 8 to 15 characters. And after that, you just need to click change password. Okay. Once you do, PayPal will send an email to your email notifying you that your password has been changed recently, but it shouldn't affect the fact that you have already changed your password. Every other devices that you have PayPal logged into it needs to re-log in before you actually can access dashboard PayPal again. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the whole tutorial. As always, for more content tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment onto our channel. If you have suggestions or topics that you wanted us at Vectorix to cover, please do not hesitate to put it down on the comment section below. Cheers, I hope it helps. Take care and goodbye, YouTube.